In this video, I'm going to share with you how we transformed a traditionally designed house into a classic and optimistic design. We have tried using each and every corner of house and use the space optimistically.
Hi, I am architect Nimish Salekar, the founder of Kutter Shell. We are based in Mumbai. So we have started a series called Renover, in which we renovate houses and also make over all dream homes. So our client is a creative and a viral content creator on social media. We all know him as Focused Indian, aka Karan Sonavne.
His brief was very clear to us. उनको एक ऐसा क्लासी एंड कैमरा फ्रेंडली घर चाहिए था which will be more optimistic and mainly every corner should be used for shooting purpose. So हमारा टारगेट यही था कि हर एक कोना हम लोग को एस्थेटिकली ब्यूटीफुल बनाना था. We don't want any space to get waste. So what we basically did is that we created a background walls so that it's very easy for Karan to use it as his background. Like we made some highlighting wall, what we call it as accent wall. We did that on certain walls, and certain walls we kept it blank so that the whole balance between the house and the room is maintained. We removed all the stuff from the TV unit. So what we first designed was the bookshelf right beside the TV unit. Then we designed the TV unit in such a simpler way that it's too modernish and at the time it's linear also. The wall beside the main door, we converted it into an accent wall with wooden strips, and we get rid of the computer table. Again, the sofa was replaced with a modern L-shaped sofa. Also, we added track lights on ceiling wherever Karan wanted for his shoots. We added a chandelier in the center of the house, which was circular shape to get the whole focal point on the center of the house. Also, we added an installation on the main wall behind sofa. The main passage was very dull and not used properly. It was used basically drying up clothes. So we first of all removed all the storage from the passage, and that storage was uplifted and moved on the above part where the clothes were hanged. Later we added profile putties, which creates a walkway towards the bedroom. So in parents bedroom, what we tackled first was the ceiling. हमको ceiling designer ceiling नहीं चाहिए था. We removed it and made it a flat one with some circular design in the center near the fan. Then we removed all the old furniture stuff and made a huge new wardrobe, which was very modernish, wooden finish, and made the bed as a sofa cum bed so that we can use more of the space during the daytime. Then we added a green element on the wall right behind the sofa cum bed, and on the same opposite side we added a TV unit. So Karan wanted this room as his studio space and less as a bedroom space. So we removed all the old stuff, and first we placed a study table, and then that part became his main highlight wall. So we decorated it with a 3D sheet, MDF sheet, and then added a large 55-inch TV, and also we made provision for all his fans to give gifts and all on right and left side by adding shelves in it and profile lights in between the shelves. At the same time, we added a nice ceiling, black ceiling, and also installed a star lighting provision on the top. So basically Karan wanted his studio to be more of a modernish look, so we gave it through a star ceiling. Then we also added a semicircular mirror, full height mirror, which like creates a depth in the space. Also we added cushioning on the back of the main sofa, so the sound does not echo in that room. Then we also added some green element onto the study table and above bed. The main turning part of the master bedroom was the window. The window initially was covered with box grill, where usually we dump all our clothes, we hang our clothes for drying and all. We don't use it very nicely, and we block the sunlight, hence it decrease the quality of space. So for the safety purpose, we tried to fix the bottom glass chest height level, and the upper 3 windows were sliding to get into that same theme. So this was wooden powder coated window. So the whole process took around 2 months and 9 days to complete.
Hello, thank you for watching the video till here. We are now 7,000 strong family on Instagram. So do follow us on Instagram. I hope you like this episode of Renover. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Kutter Shell. Like and comment your favorite part of the design. See you soon to the next episode of Renover.